5 easy ideas you need to know to make you wealthy. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is another investing video of my channel. This video, like the others, is informative and entertaining. It will lead you to your financial freedom. You may want to check out other related work on my channels like top 3 stocks for any beginners investor and mistakes to avoid while investing. I know you can't wait to hear the secret of how you can grow your wealth quickly. Let's begin, and it will be a great help if you can watch it till the end of it all. You may be confused about what to do to earn your money. Some years ago, I was just like you. I was in a state of confusion. I didn't know what to do and how to start. Are you also confused about what to do to bring you greater wealth? Even if you have a job, don't you like the idea of more money? In this respect, I would like to discuss investment. It has been my ticket to financial freedom. How do you like the idea of making more money while you're sleeping? Many times you have come across words like asset and investment in different places. It shouldn't interest you to get to understand what it is, because you are going to be hearing these words more often. When you purchase a particular item and you make use of that some item to generate more income for yourself, what you just did is what is known as investment. That particular item purchase is your asset. Easy to understand? Very right? Yes? Yes, it is as understandable as this. In this specific video, everything has been simplified for you. Now let's go to these ideas that can make you wealthy. Number 1, online business. The world is growing into a digital place. It is best if you can make up and join the fast moving train. An online business is not your regular type of business. It is a business that when you begin, you will not regret starting. All online business demands from you are building your trust and credibility that will attract customers to you. You can create an online business about whatever things you love doing most. Earn money with your passion. Stop wasting those skills. You can start an online business including writing, editing, coaching, graphic design, web design, and so much more that you can think of. It is not enough to have writing skills. Are you earning income with it? It is also not enough to be skilled in designing. It's your work bringing you income. Even if you have an office job, why not consider using your passion for starting a side hustle? Stop using your smartphone to watch videos and play music alone. There is so much you can do with your smart devices. All I'm trying to say is that you should monetize your skill and passion. I started my cleaning business in 2001. In 2003, I went online. I created my first website. From then till now, the result has been an amazing one. If I can do it, you can do it even better. Number 2, investing in stocks. When most people hear about stock investment, all that comes to their mind is challenging. I hope you're not among such people, because in everything you do, focus and determination are needed. I know you're willing to hear me say investing in stocks is easy and all that. You are not entirely wrong. It is easy if you are eager to understand how it is being done. Investing in stock doesn't just bring in more money, it's also full of fun. Let me explain in simple terms what stock is all about. Have you ever heard people say they have investments in successful companies? Yes, that is what stock is all about. Undoubtedly, stocks will make you rich. Let's take, for example, Tesla. This is an electric company which has gained recognition all over the world today. Tesla is one of the top stocks for investment. Ask the billionaires what makes them wealthy. They will tell you it is by investing in stock. There are so many others: Zoom, Trade Desk, Upwork, Facebook, and APN, Microsoft, Apple. To begin, consider making a move with Dropbox or Zynga. But to be a stock investor, you cannot dare to be lazy. There is no room for that unless you are prepared to lose. There are so many free courses through which you can learn how to be good at investing. You can go ahead and watch my video on mistakes to avoid while investing. It will help you. Number 3, real estate. Real estate may seem to be a difficult way to make money, but for everything difficult, I'm sure you agree with me that there is always a way around it. That is also applicable to real estate. The best things to do here is by becoming an agent. This business has to do with properties. This includes land and buildings. Natural resources such as water, minerals are not an exemption. In the real estate business, buying and selling is the transaction that takes place. Just like I said earlier, in this video, everything has been made easy just for you to enjoy. So the easiest way for you to invest in real estate is to choose some real estate funds or trusts. It is cheaper way for investing in properties. Number 4, let me tell you, Enagic Opportunities, Kangen water business. This business is a way of income that has been super fascinating for me. It is a wellness business. If you are passionate about health, then this business is just for you. All you do in this business is to own one machine. This machine comes with as many bonuses as you can think of from recommendation. Even if all other businesses don't interest you, don't let this one slip you by, because it is a global business with a huge potential. The machine is also a lifetime asset for you, for your health and your family. Number 5, investing in commodities. You can testify that some commodities out there are scarce. Water and oil are not excluded. The commodity is gold and silver. Many benefits come from this type of investment. Become an owner of something rare. Make money and more money. There is all probability that you are afraid to start something of your own, but the fact remains that every successful individual out there was once fearful like you. The only difference is that they pursue their goals even with the fear inside of them. So, if you enjoyed this video, do well to like and share. Feel free to share your views, ask your questions and leave your comments down below. Subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and to get more videos next week and the week after. But at the same time, I want to hear your opinion. Tell me, what is your ideas how you can become wealthy? I'd like to say a big thank you for being with me. Until next time, stay green and motivated.